Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to install this little bed enclosure. It's called from SuperATV. I like to call it a tailgate. It's almost like a tailgate. It fills up this little piece right here that looks and just finishes off the look for the Pro XP. Should be about a 5-minute install. Super easy install, and it'll make the back end of this thing look a little better. It comes with these little spacers right here that go in between this and the plastic bed, right up against here, just to give it a little bit more space. And just like that, we have the bed enclosure installed from SuperATV. You can find it on our website, revolutionor.com. It's solid. It can give you, maybe if you need to tie some stuff down, have a cooler in the back, make sure it doesn't slide out. Nice, cool piece.